China's silver prices on December 31st, 2025. That was the last day of trading before the holidays started. So Shanghai Metals Exchange, that's the SME, via the SMM. SMM is their platform where they do the quotations. Direct quotes from two dealers, which have the VAT included, was around $82.36 per troy ounce equivalent.
2025 was a stellar year for the sector. Gold was up 64.72%, silver up almost 150%. Silver is now the third or fourth largest asset in the world. It depends on the fluctuation of the price, of course, but it's way up there. So the numbers speak for themselves. The breakout in silver, as I said a few months ago, would be historic because we broke through a major technical formation, that cup and handle that had been brewing for 45 years. And I told you the price would catapult.
Mario Ineco is a precious metals analyst and commentator known for his focus on physical silver markets, supply constraints, and global price dislocations. Eric Yeung is a precious metals market expert known for his insights into China's bullion pricing, physical demand trends, and Asian commodities markets. China's silver market closed 2025 with historic momentum. On December 31st, the final trading day before holidays, Shanghai Metals Market quotations via the Shanghai Metals Exchange showed VAT-included dealer prices near 82.36 per troy ounce. The year proved stellar for precious metals. Gold surged 64.2%, while silver gained nearly 150%. By year-end, silver ranked among the world's largest assets by market value, fluctuating with price. Technically, silver completed a decades-long cup-and-handle breakout, nearly 45 years in formation, signaling a powerful catapult move and redefining long-term bullish expectations. Investors watched liquidity, industrial demand, and macro shifts amplify volatility worldwide markets. Now, we present the clips from their's interview. Before we continue to discuss this, please subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon for timely updates. Thank you and enjoy the video.
China's silver prices on December 31st, 2025. That was the last day of trading before the holidays started. So Shanghai Metals Exchange, that's the SME, via the SMM. SMM is their platform where they do the quotations. Direct quotes from two dealers, which have the VAT included, was around $82.36 per troy ounce equivalent. So that's $86.36 per troy ounce equivalent, and that's from the SME. Okay, that exchange, I'm going to reiterate this. They do quotations directly, so the VAT, the 13% VAT on silver is included. The Shanghai Gold Exchange, which do not, their quotations do not include VAT, was $75.91 per troy ounce equivalent at the close. And the Shanghai Futures Exchange, the SHFE, which also do not have the VAT included for their quotes that you see online, is $75.97 per troy ounce equivalent. So if you take 82.36, which is the SME quotation, divide by 72.97 is 1.13. That's the VAT on silver in China, which is the 13%. So 72.97, that's my calculation on the import cost for the SME guys. That was still higher than the 70 to 71 or $72 that the LBMA and the COMEX were quoting. I think the ball is in Donald Trump's court, like you said. I'm just going to use that phrase to describe the situation, because if China is no longer going to ship silver to the LBMA, The next time the LBMA is in dire need of physical silver, it will have to accelerate the physical silver drainage of the COMEX vaults. Now, the question is the American government, like you said, going to allow that? That's like silver is a strategic metal that is critical to the US military industrial complex. So I don't know. I mean, like, it's still up in the air. I think Robert Gottlieb said we'll find out by the end of January. And just to remind your audience, Robert Gottlieb, he ran the precious metals desk at JP Morgan before he retired. Industrials cannot wait. Like, let's say, Mario, you're a automaker of electric vehicles, EV. I mean, are you going to wait for 6 months without making any electric vehicles, without any silver? No, right? Or you're making, AI systems for data centers. Are you going to just sit around and not have your silver to make your high-end integrated circuits and cables for 6 months or 9 months or 3 months or whatever? You're not. If you can, you pay the premium, you want the silver now. And I think that's going to be a major problem for a lot of these entities, a lot of these silver using entities that are essentially what I would call inflexible. They're not flexible, okay? They need the silver and they need it now. If they have to buy silver at $150 per troy ounce, it'll probably be no big deal, because if, like, I know somebody put up a chart of solar manufacturers. If silver is at $100, supposedly at $100 they make $0, but they forget that the price that they sell the solar panels at is not fixed. They can raise their prices to the end customer by 30 to 50% if they want to. Okay? And I tell you, that is what is going to happen. Because China is actually, the Chinese government is actually launching a program. They call everything programs in China, like the old socialist, verbiage. You know what I'm talking about, right? They call it a program. It's like anti-destructive pricing program. So in Chinese government terms, that's like raise your prices.
China's silver market revealed critical pricing signals on December 31st, 2025, the final trading day before holidays. Shanghai Metals Exchange, SME, quotes via SMM showed VAT-included silver near 82.36 per troy ounce, highlighting a clear premium over global benchmarks. In contrast, Shanghai Gold Exchange and SHFE prices, excluding VAT, hovered around 75.9. This confirmed China's 13% silver VAT and underscored higher domestic import costs versus LBMA and COMEX. With China potentially restricting silver exports, global supply stress may intensify. Industrial users, from EVs to AI, cannot delay production, forcing them to pay higher silver prices, reshaping global market dynamics. Let's get back to the interview.
Banks in the Middle East are they're not going to stop buying physical gold or silver. It's going to continue. And as we speak here on Friday, gold is at 43.88, so almost back to 4,400. It's up 1.5%. Silver is up almost 4%. Well, basically 4% at 74.43. 2025 was a stellar year for the sector. Gold was up 64.72%. Silver up almost 150%. Silver is now the third or fourth largest asset in the world. It depends on the fluctuation of the price, of course, but it's way up there. So the numbers speak for themselves. The breakout in silver, as I said a few months ago, would be historic, because we broke through a major technical formation, that cup and handle that had been brewing for 45 years. and I told you the price would catapult. And as Michael Oliver said on the channel the other day, we are in a new reality for silver, and I agree with him. So I'm about to share with you what I think is one of the top pure silver ideas for the coming decade by pure silver miners. That's what I mean. There's one billionaire mining tycoon that has recently increased his position in this particular silver company that I think looks really good. On top of that, a prominent Argentinian businessman who already invested millions in May of 2025 recently raised his personal stake once more by millions of dollars just a few months ago, which is the reason I'm profiling this company to you today. So the bottom line is this. Number one, it's a pure silver play. Number two, we're in the midst of arguably the best silver market ever. Number three, with the biggest shareholders, Frank Giustra, a mining billionaire, being one of them. And number four, only 1% of the land package has ever been drilled, and there's plenty of cash to drill right now. Well, I think it's arguably an ideal situation, in my opinion. Together, both Frank Giustra and Eduardo Elstein, through his group of entities, now own roughly a quarter of today's sponsor. So the sponsor or the company is Argenta Silver. Its ticker symbol in the US is AGAGF. And the stock is available on Interactive Brokers and Schwab. As I said earlier, silver was almost 150% in 2025, shocking many people, maybe not you or me, but Argenta silver shares, they were up 190% in 2025, but they're still down about 30% from its peak.
The global silver and gold market is entering a new era, driven by relentless physical demand from Middle Eastern banks and historic price breakouts. In 2025, gold surged 64.72%, while silver skyrocketed nearly 150%, confirming one of the strongest precious metals bull markets ever recorded. Silver's breakout from a 45-year cup and handle pattern signals a structural shift, placing it among the world's largest assets by value. With prices nearing new highs and industrial demand accelerating, attention is turning to pure silver miners. Argenta Silver stands out, backed by billionaire investors, minimal drilling to date, and strong upside potential in this evolving silver reality. Share your thoughts on their analysis in the comment section below. If you find this video informative, please support and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest videos. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.